Right, I've got an emergency call out to this customer on Sunday. Only certain things on the board aren't working. They're taking the earth leakage strip out. It's not just the cooling system, it's other things as well. And I was the nearest thing they could find to a Sparky on a Sunday, so you've got to feel sorry for them really. Anyway, we'll get this panel off and then see what power we've got coming in. Well, that's the board, that's the main incoming switch. RCD, earth leakage trips over in another barn, that's what trips out. That's all your breakers. There's a bus, three-phase bus power up there. So let's see what we've got. We go. Let's start on the yellow. It's 420 volts from red to yellow, and then we should have 565. That might be a fucking problem. Across blue and red, and then yellow and blue. 430. Well, I think that over voltage was a bit of a red herring. That tester does that sometimes before it sort of settles down. I couldn't get it to do it again, so I was getting 245 volts between phases and neutral on all three, and about 445 across each phase to each other one, which is a bit high, but that's at least they were even. Just mega in the tank between earth and the power in, and that is 3.8 gigaohms, so there's nothing wrong with this. He said when he puts the tank on, it blows the trip. The breaker's still off, so we'll turn that on. .1, so that's going back up the neutral up to the main power, going that way. That's why you always need to disconnect the incoming live and neutral before you test things. We don't think there's anything wrong with the tank. Have a bit of a look around and see. That's where that little key's useful. These square door catches. Just took the earth leakage strip out. Go and see if that's done it. There's another one further back that it can take as well. Just climbed halfway up the ladder and then realised the ladder's actually on the mains electrics there, so that one's off as well. It's a 100 milliamp trip. It's obviously not a very good place to put a ladder. Still, at least it's wood. So we're nice and insulated. Right, well it's just luck when I got here. One of my other customers turned up, just called in to see this one, and we had a bit of a chat about what the problem was, and he said it's always the water heater. That's the first thing you check. So we've got the element, got the power turned off, we've got the lead on earth and the other lead on the element, and dead short. Right, it's all running. So it's just that heater element. It's got the vacuum pumps and all the pile of stuff's been up and running, so job done.